In Module 5, we will be talking about database organization. So if you open up your software, you have to have someone entered to be able to open up this workspace here. To go to the database menu, you have to go to File and then Open, and you'll see this dialog box come up. This is pretty much, I'm going to call this the database dialog because it shows you what database you're in, and then it has all of your entries. If you wanted to change this, like to your family, you do Open Database and double click on your family. I don't have any entries in here, I just made it for a test. So to go back, you just hit Open Database, go back to Famous, double click, and you have all your entries here. It's important to keep your databases organized, and there's some functions you can do in the software where you compare like one person's synastry to the entire database, so you can't do that when the person is in an entire different database. To create a new database, you'd go to File, New Database. Say you want to make a database for your coworkers. So you just put in coworkers, and the .sjc is what it's going to be saved as. So just hit save. Now you've created a new one for your coworkers. I'm going to go back to the famous one. And yeah, I think that just about covers how to open them, how to open the database. You just go to File, Open, and there it is. And File, Open again, and you'll see all of them here for you to change between the ones you need. And that's it for this module.